In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view a traffic ticket online in New York. The first thing to know is that New York uses different online systems depending on the kind of ticket you received and where it was issued. So before you start searching, it helps to identify whether your ticket is a moving violation, a parking ticket, or a camera-related violation, and whether it happened in New York City or somewhere else in New York State. If you received a moving violation in New York City and it is handled by the Traffic Violations Bureau, you'll want to use the New York DMV TVB ticket copy service. This is the correct place to look up a copy of that type of ticket online. Typically, you'll be asked for basic identifying details such as your name, date of birth, and ticket number. Make sure the information matches the ticket exactly, because even a small mismatch can affect your search results. If your moving violation was issued outside of New York City, the process is a little different. In that case, you can view the ticket online through the New York DMV's MyDMV portal or through the Unified Court System's MyNY Courts platform. These services are used for tickets that are not processed through the New York City Traffic Violations Bureau, so choosing the right portal is important. If one system doesn't show your ticket, it may be because your case is handled in the other one. For parking tickets and camera violations in New York City, including speed camera, red light camera, and bus lane violations, you should use NYC Serve. On that platform, you can search using either your license plate number or your ticket number. This is usually the fastest option if you don't have the physical ticket in front of you, especially if you know the plate information. There is also an option to download a copy of a parking ticket through the NYC Pay or Dispute app, which can be useful if you want a mobile-friendly way to review the violation. As you go through this process, take a moment to double-check the ticket category before choosing a website. That's the main reason people end up on the wrong page. Also, if your ticket was issued very recently, it may take some time before it appears online, so don't panic if you don't see it right away. Once you're on the correct platform and enter the required information, you should be able to pull up the ticket details and review them online. That's how to view a traffic ticket online in New York.